Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your Kmart account. In order to log into your Kmart account, first you'll need to open browser of your choice. Here I'll be using Google Chrome. Here you'll need to type in kmart.com.au. After that, you will be directed to the home page of Kmart. From here, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see a lot of options. Here, you'll have to click on Sign In Up option. Now to log in, you'll have to enter your email address and password. Make sure to enter email address that you have first created your Kmart account with. In the first box, you'll have to type in your email. In the second box, you'll have to type in your password. After you type in your email and password correctly, you'll have to click on the sign in option and you'll be logged in into your Kmart account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your Kmart account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.